What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house, and today we're down at UPR Products in Lake Worth, Florida, along with my man, the world famous Steve, the Catch Can Man. Today we're going to be installing one of their catch cans on the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway truck.
Actually, we're going to do an exclusive install on your truck. It's going to be one of the first kits available for this Whipple, but we're going to go over what our other options are too that you'll be able to get from Lethal Performance. A little valve in here, and it's actually going to pop off and breathe through the filter to release crankcase pressure.
Amazing. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house, and today we're down at UPR Products in Lake Worth, Florida, along with my man, the world famous Steve, the Catch Can Man.
What's up, everybody? How you doing?
Hell yeah. Today we're going to be installing one of their catch cans on the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway truck. Before we get going on the install though, Steve's got a bunch of stuff to tell us about as well as show us. So what do we got going on?
Well, actually, we're going to do an exclusive install on your truck. It's going to be one of the first kits available for this Whipple. It's called our 50/50 catch can. It's a closed catch can that also has a one-way valve inside it, so when boost pressure gets in there, which we hope it does with this truck, it's going to vent to atmosphere and release pressure. So it's a pretty exclusive thing we've done on the Hellcats and some of the Mustangs. But you guys are going to see the first install on a Whipple pickup truck here. But we're going to go over what our other options are too that you'll be able to get from Lethal Performance.
Awesome, man. Yes, you guys seen it here first. Team Lethal and UPR Products, a great partner in business, by the way. You guys know UPR suspension stuff. They've got all their billet dress-up stuff. They've also got the catch cans. There's a lot going on here, so let's go inside and see what you got.
Let's go show you what we have here.
Let's do it. Hi-ho, hi-ho. It's off torque we go. So here we are, guys, inside UPR Products in the front. We've got a whole bunch of stuff out here. Steve, you want to kind of explain what we got going on here?
Yeah, so we took out a couple of toys here. So basically for the 21 to 24 F-150s, as everybody knows, that's the hot ticket right now. I mean, we were just at the PRI show, not to date the video, but there's more F-150s than there were Mustangs.
Crazy.
At UPR, we have 3 different style catch cans, and it kind of breaks down to how you use the vehicle. So we have our traditional closed catch can that y'all have been selling forever.
Yes, really selling and running them on a bunch of my vehicles.
Easy to work on, easy to dump out. We have our quick release knobs on the bracket, and that's true on all of these. So what's different about them? You have your closed catch can, which we recommend for any kind of F-150, 5 liter, that's going to be naturally aspirated. You can use it with a Whipple, same installation. What's new is we have a vent to atmosphere breather tank. So this is great for those guys that are running the big twin turbo kits. They're not going to see much intake manifold vacuum. It's going to be boost spray basically all the time. So if it's a race truck or high boost kind of setup, this is vent to atmosphere. So just both valve covers venting to this breather. Mounts on your battery tray here with your quick release knob, so you can just take the whole thing off and service it with no tools. So easy to do between rounds. And what's going to be new and what we're going to put on yours is our 50/50 catch can. So we call it a 50/50 because it's part catch can, part vent to atmosphere breather tank. What this does is it's going to be a closed catch can, so you don't have any codes or any check engine lights. When you go into boost, if boost actually exceeds the vacuum that this sees, it's going to have a little valve in here, and it's actually going to pop off and breathe through the filter to release crankcase pressure.
Amazing.
So it's pretty cool, and just like all of our catch cans, they're easy to service. You can unscrew the filter and wash it with warm water and dish soap. You can undo the knob and the fittings and walk away with this with no tools, and it's super easy to service by just unscrewing the cup and just dumping it out. So this is an exclusive that we're going to put on your truck. Yours is going to be the first one with this.
Seen it here first, guys.
We've got all the Hellcats and Mustangs, and it's been really well received, but yours is the first F-150 we're installing on.
Awesome.
And that's going to be on the giveaway.
Yeah, one lucky person is going to end up with the first one, right?
Exactly. So exclusive for our partners at Lethal Performance. We're happy to do it for you.
Yeah, man.
And let's go get this thing put on.
Hell yeah, let's do it. Remember, guys, right now, 2-time entries on all the brands involved with the build. That includes UPR Products. So for every $1 you spend on any UPR product, you get double the entries towards the truck and $15,000 in cash.
You can't beat it. Go get that truck.
Unreal.
It's sexy.
I like it. Keep saying, I'm like, I don't want to give it away. I'll keep it for myself, but someone's going to win it. I'll have to give it away. Today. Let's do it. Probably done this a few times, huh, Steve?
Yeah,
A couple times?
a few times.
Yeah. Stuff works good, man. Actually, you know, it's like still funny. We still hear people out there saying you don't need a catch can. Why do you need a catch can? They don't work. It's all snake oil. Literally, it captures all the snake oil that would go back into your engine through your intercooler, combustion chamber, the whole nine, right?
Absolutely.
Yep.
And when in doubt, just check your PCV hose. If you see oily mess down in that hose, get yourself a catch can.
Here you go.
So
Earl. You got some Earl in the hose?
keep the oil in the engine, not in the intercooler.
Plug and play, nice. Prefab hoses with OEM connectors on the end.
And you get the nice satisfying click.
Yep, that's just the way that UPR does it. You don't gotta mess around with
You
it.
just press the buttons. You don't pry the fittings out, but just press the buttons and slide them off. Undo the knob, watch your washers, take the whole can off and service it. No tools. So again, if you're at the track or out playing around the street, if you want to just check it out, it's easy to do. If you're at home, you don't have to worry about getting pliers or the right size wrenches or anything. Once it's installed, no tools to maintain it.
Easy install, easy to service.
Easy peasy.
Here we go, look at that.
So it's our 50/50 catch can with our clean side separator. And yeah, all installed, ready to go. The last thing I want to show you guys is we have our special UPR cap covers. So it's a little bit of jewelry
Look at that.
for the engine compartment. Don't mind the dirty hands.
This is a bonus, guys. We had no idea that the UPR is gonna hook it up like that. So it's just extra for the person who ends up with the truck. We also do have their 50 cal bullet antenna over there.
It just kind of steps up the look of the vehicle a little bit without detracting from it.
UPR Products started, I think, with like the billet dress-up stuff, like just like the door pins, the door handles, all billet stuff like that. And then they've taken off, obviously, to the suspension side. I run the K-member, the A-arms, the coilover kit on my Project Cobra. But then you guys started crushing with the catch can stuff, and now it's just insane.
You know, the suspension stuff we were known for many, many years, and I mean, our own UPR race car that's owned and built by Bill Putnam here, at the most recent race went a 108 60 foot.
That's crazy.
So it's an ultra street car. It's not unusual to hear of UPR cars going, you know, 60 foot. The S-550s, we have all the suspension for those. And I can tell you it transformed the way that car drives. Just night and day difference.
And what's great, these guys are right down the road from us. And I love it. Again, long-lasting business relationship, and I've known Joe forever, Mark, and you, man. It's like,
Yes, sir.
anything we ever
many
need,
years now.
anything we ever need, just give you a call, and you guys are always willing to help us out.
It's been a great partnership. We love seeing you guys come over. And the best part about all this is that this is all stuff you can do in your driveway. I'm not ASE anything, you know, so when we do the videos here, it's purely just showing you what can be done. So the only cap that's not going to work is the washer bottle cap.
Right.
We'll have to work on that one. But we'll throw everything else at it.
Nice.
Complete cap kit there. So you still have your factory hoses. You can put these back on. If you happen to have to bring it in for service, if you have a factory truck, you can reverse your catch can kit. It's not going to void your warranty if it's not there.
Yep.
That's why it's easy to remove. So in a nutshell, we got the catch can. We've got your cap kit that's on here now. We've got your clean side separator, the bullet antenna. We want to make more and more stuff for F-150s, and the best part about this giveaway is even if you don't win the F-150, all these things that are on this truck you can get from Lethal Performance.
That's what I'm talking about. Yep.
You know, so you can build your own at home and duplicate it or make it better.
This stuff sells all day long, guys.
Absolutely.
If you don't know UPR Products already, you must be hiding, because obviously they're very well known in the industry. And we've been selling their stuff for many years. You guys have any questions about the UPR stuff, you know, reach out to us or call the Catch Can Man. He'll take care of you guys.
Absolutely. Always here, ready to help. I mean, who wouldn't want this truck? It's killer.
Dude, the truck is, I'm telling you, I have like such a hard time with the fact I'm giving away, because I really do enjoy, and like definitely enjoy driving this thing. A lot of fun.
Well, appreciate you guys coming by. Thank you, Jared, again.
Thanks, as always.
We'll see you for the next giveaway or whatever video you guys want to do. We're happy to work with you every time.
Awesome, bro. That wraps it up, guys. Over at UPR Products in Lake Worth, Florida, with my man, Steve, the Catch Can Man. Check him out on his Instagram page.
The Catch Can Man.
Very informative stuff about all the products that they offer here. And again, any questions about, like, you know, the catch cans, how they work and stuff, he goes over it all. Very in-depth. He knows it very well, and that's how you earn the name.
Absolutely, I appreciate that.
Yep. And if you guys have any questions, reach out to us at 561-753-8105 on the Mustang King. And you are?
The Catch Can Man.
And we're out of here!
Get this truck.
Sometimes I have my on days, I have my off days. Most of them are off days, but listen, I hope everyone likes our content, you know, guys. 20 years, by the way. As you guys can see this right here, check that out, I'm rocking it. They just came in, our 20th anniversary t-shirts are here. 5-time entries to the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway when you purchase any Lethal Performance swag, and 10% off throughout the entire month till the giveaway ends. Tea or any of that stuff. So, but Whipple's got it down, and that's how they're selling all the kits. Uh-oh, she gone again.
Oh, he found a magazine. Yeah, I like all those guys.
10mm socket?
No, that was the mount. Jury and prosecution.
Yep.
And to do with why they're not going after them.
Did you drop it again, Steve?
Dropped a washer.
It's like my intros. Take 10.
Yeah, I can do one take talking, just not washers.
Yeah.
Washers are my kryptonite.
Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot.